Sonam. Sonam. Listen to me once.
Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam. Ala Rasulillah wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. और उसके बाद तौहीद एजुकेशन ट्रस्ट और शेख मुतीउर रहमान मदनी साहब का कि उन्होंने दिगर मुसलमान जितने इदारे हैं उनको साथ लेके हमारे रब है, हम थोड़ी ईश्वर है, तो हम दाढ़ी मूंछ रखते हैं क्योंकि कुछ लोग दाढ़ी मूंछ रखते हैं अच्छा रखने के लिए, कोई दूसरे वजह के रखते। इंशाअल्लाह तीसरे दिन जो है
that issue is already being watched closely, and it's not an issue where I should declare that whatever step government is going to take is to be taken by the agencies. The Home Minister has already made a statement that the matter has been closely monitored and Home Ministry is looking into the issue. Now the kind of action is going to be taken is something which I cannot make an announcement. With all these informations and media things going around, our action has to be swift and smooth. If we make announcement and if we tom about the actions, it is not wise. This is a very serious matter, and actions are to be with much of thought as well as content in it. Because if we just, for the sake of pleasing just people, to show off that we are taking action, that's not enough.